So, good afternoon, honorable present here. So, this is Mr. A. James from English department, and I want to discuss with you regarding the topic called as group discussion uses. So, this is for the second year students as well as for all the students who will be very benefited by this group discussion topic. As we all know that group discussion is very important in everyone's life, so that we can able to get shared information from our groups from each individual. The one thing you should be know about our group discussion is that once when we shared information, or once when we communicate with others using the individual mode or one by one mode, we'll be getting only one idea. But rather than when we conduct GD or the group discussion, we'll be having many sources, as well as we will be having many ideas from our group discussion. So in this PPT, we will be knowing more about how this group discussion works in the engineering field. Okay. So the power of group discussion is that it unlocks the collaborative potential. That's very essential. Okay. So that is in the sense we can able to say that how can we say that it unlocks the collaborative potential? We can able to collaborate with all the others in the group, so that we can able to get more information than we needed. Okay. So the types of group discussions include from structured debates to open forums, like structured debates, open forums, and roundtable discussions. These are all the types of group discussions in every field. So in the structured debates, we will be forming a formal and rule-bound discussions, emphasizing logical argumentation and critical thinking. Okay. And in the open forums, we will be discussing about the unrestricted discussions for brainstorming and free exchange of ideas. And in the round table discussions, we will be discussing the equal participation often used for the collective decision making for the consensus building. So all these things will be rather discussed about to say that we are discussing in a group. Okay. And the next thing I want to share about the beyond this road learning, we have the educational benefits, like how group discussions enhance learning outcomes. Okay. The group discussion promotes deeper understanding and retention. Okay. And the next thing is that it develops critical thinking and analytical skills. That is in the sense, when we discuss GD, deeper understandings and we'll get more information, and the critical thinking analytical skills will be more developed. But also it encourages active engagement with course materials. Okay. And the next thing is that it fosters pure technical and collaborative learning. It's not like that when we have some knowledge outwardly, but when we have a group discussion, we will be learning the collaborative learning also, and improves oral communication and argumentation. Those the persons who are very weak in speaking English, there they get the chance to develop themselves to improve oral communication, and also it builds confidence in expressing ideas. Okay, that is the thing main here. Next thing is that I want to share you about that the problem solving applications, like leveraging collective intelligence using GD. When we conduct a GD, there will be some generating wide range of creative solutions, and after that we will be analyzing the constructing complex problems from the whatever we have discussed, and after that we will be taking a decision, reaching informed and collaborative conclusion. That is in the sense we will be getting more information of the analysis what we have made, and finally we will made a decision here. Okay. And the art of dialogue is that building communication skills, active listening, and clear impression. Not all the students will be impressed in our GD, but the persons who are well versed in the active listening and doing some more activities, they will be paying much more attention, understanding, and responding thoughtfully. And for the clearing expression, there the students who are very much clear in GD, they will be articulating thoughts concisely and persuasively. Okay. And after the GD made, the constructive feedback is given from the students to receive feedback. Okay, that is in the sense. And the next thing is that I want to share about is that the fostering diversity of thoughts, embracing different perspectives. So when we conduct GD, we'll be broadening our understanding, exposure to alternate ways of things. That's very very essential. Okay, like enhanced creativity. That is in the sense it creates new ideas which we not unexpected. Okay, and it also reduced bias. That is in the sense it challenge assumptions and preconceived notions. What we have already discussed, it's not discussed more in the GD, so that we may be very new to the ideas discussed. And also it also inclusive environment. That is in the sense it values every voice, fostering belonging. So in the GD, we'll be learning and we'll be hearing many news and many knowledges and many noises which we can able to diversify our thoughts in the future. Okay, that's the importance of GD. Okay, thanks so much.